Hey, I'm Shay Bar from IT team. This is a short walkthrough on LeadSense AI agent, created on MindStudio platform. We'll show you how to use it and qualify your leads that you've collected with Lead Generator agent. Alice, please, you're on.
Sure, Shay. Hi all. First, I want to go to my workspace and open the LeadSense AI agent. Let me explain real quickly what you see on screen. In the first main workflow, we have a Fetch Google Sheet block. Its purpose is to fetch the previous leads we've collected with Lead Generator AI agent. Since we want to generate queries for each and every one of them, we created two. Generate text block in order to normalize the ICP's leads and generate queries. Please notice we've implemented guardrails in order to prevent hallucinations. You'll see more of this down the road. Next block is Run Workflow. Its aim is to run those queries that we've just created. As you can see on screen, we do send a lot of information to this. Sub Workflow. Last block is a Custom Generate Report block that present us with the qualification data. Now, let me go to the sub workflow. This is a massive research meant to save you hours of manual work. On screen, you can see three logic parts. The first one is designed to do the ICP enrichment. First start block receives all the information sent in queries from the main workflow. Next block is using Apollo to enrich the person using its ID and full name. Now, we'll use generate text blocks to build persona enrichment. Told you we've done some guardrails down the road. Here it is. Lockdown mode, it tells the AI model to do exactly what we're asking here in the prompt. We also enforce the prompt with no invented information. This is key since we need to do real qualification. We use the same methodology for company intelligence enrichment, AI maturity enrichment, tech stack enrichment, and team structure enrichment. Last research block is Opportunity Mapping Engine. Here we combine all the input data to one opportunity mapping variable. Next logic part does the qualification itself. Again, we used do not hallucinate in prompt as a guardrail. Last logic block is updating the new tab in our Google Sheet. Here we have a custom function. You should set the include header for the first run, but later, please set it to no. Last block in this workflow will update our Google Sheets with the qualification information about this ICP. We'll use that information in our next AI agent, Smart Follow. Now, let's go to Google Sheets and make sure we've created the new tab for ICP scores. I just want to remind you, for each Google Sheet, you have to connect to your Google account and point your ICP document. This is crucial for this AI agent to work. That's it. We're done. Let me call Julie to demonstrate it in work. Julie?
Thank you, Alice. First, I'll set the range of the Google Fetch block, only to the new leads I've collected. On screen, you can see I've collected 4 new leads, row 15 to 18. Let me quickly update it before I run this agent. I'll publish. Okay, done. Let's run it. By the way, Alice, I love this new LeadSense agent. It saves me hours of work. Now I have time to chat with Aiden. He's really cute.
Anybody called my name? Oh, Julie, you're here. Need any help?
Oh, what a lovely surprise. Sure, Aiden. Can you please explain our audience what we see on screen?
For you, anything. Julie, now that the agent is running, it fetch your new ICPs and then run the research on each and every one of them. As lovely Alice mentioned, it will update your Google Sheet with new research information, and finally, it will present the report.
Oh, Aiden, how good to finally see you at the office. I've noticed that since we recruited Julie, you've been coming every day and not really sticking to your surfing course.
Thanks for the support, Alice. The truth is my surfboard broke, and Shay won't let me buy a new one. And besides, I really like helping Julie.
Haha, really sweet of you. Let's continue with the demo, shall we? Wow, what a lovely report. I see it qualified all 4 leads. There is a View Evidence button. Let me see what's inside. We have strengths, risks, fit reasons, and non-fit reasons. Oh, and we can also filter the results. Wonderful. Let me choose hot. I've got 1 hot lead. I can send him an email. Won't do it now. And I can open his LinkedIn and message him. I'll head back to my Google Sheet to see the results there. Yes, here is this person. I got the ICP score, decision tag, buying likelihood, and other nice score matrix, summary, strengths, risks, fit reasons, non-fit reasons, recommended strategy, status, and notes. Really impressive. Shay, what's next?
Thank you all. In the coming days, the agent will be uploaded to the community area where you can copy it and customize it for your business. Thanks for watching.